Okay, great. So this part corresponds to step 4, finding the key variables in the tutorial. And this is about the scatterplot matrix graph. And the scatterplot matrix graph, you can get different ways. You can go up here and you can type in scatterplot matrix, right? And it'll bring this thing in. You can also go to and you're working with the observed data 911 calls guy. You can also right click on here and then go to create chart and then scatterplot matrix chart down here. This is another way to do it. And then over here, again, this is, okay, now you can just follow along with the fields, right? So calls and population and renters and whatever they're asking you about. This one, medium income, apply. And then you get this super cool, right? And you can click with these different things you can look at. So this is the relationship between, calls and population. And this is population and renters. And this is, renters and median income. And you can see some of these may have stronger relationships than others. And these are just the ones that we chose, right? So we could have added a bunch of other guys. The other cool thing is you can also, you can highlight on here, oh, that's awesome, right? And then you can see which those guys correspond to spatially on the map, right? Which I like. I think is very interesting, right? So anyway, that's this thing for this this scatterplot matrix tool guy. And I think from here on out, you guys should be pretty good to work through the rest of the tutorial. And yeah, good luck.